Hi everyone, in this video we want to find angle XWZ. Solution: given angle WXY equal to 80 degree, line WX equal to line XY equal to line YZ, and they asked us to find angle XWZ, which is currently unknown. So let us join points W and Y. Let us consider triangle WXY and line WX is equal to line XY. It follows that triangle WXY is an isosceles triangle, and base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal to each other. So we can say angle XWY and angle XYW are equal to each other, and let us denote it with B. So I can say angle XWY equal to angle XYW, which is equal to B. Again, let us join point X and Z. Now, angle XWY and angle YZW both are standing on arc XY, and angle at the circumference standing on the same arc are equal. So I can say this angle also is B. So angle YZX equal to angle XWY, which is equal to B. Now let us consider triangle XYZ, and XY is equal to YZ, which means that this triangle is an isosceles triangle and their base angles are equal. So I can say angle YZX is equal to angle YXZ. So angle YXZ equal to angle YZX equal to B. So I can say this angle is B. I want you to note that angle YXZ and angle ZWY are both standing on arc YZ, and angles at the circumference standing on the same arc are equal. So we can say angle YXZ equal to angle ZWY, which is equal to B. because our angle YXZ is also equal to B. So this angle equal to B. So now let us consider triangle WXY. Triangle WXY. And the algebraic sum of interior angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So I can say B plus B plus this angle which is given to us to be 80 degree is equal to 180. B plus B plus 80 degree equal to 180 degree. B plus B will give us 2B plus 80 degree equal to 180 degree. 2B equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree. 2B equal to 100 degree. If we divide both sides by 2 over 2 over 2, B equal to 50 degree. So the question says we should find angle XWZ. Angle XWZ is equal to B plus B. So angle XWZ equal to B plus B. Angle XWZ equal to 2B and B equal to 50 degree. Angle XWZ equal to 2 multiplied by 50 degree. Angle XWZ equal to 100 degree. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.